Very good afternoon. Let's start with our class and doubts.
So can I send my file here? Hello?
Hello. Yes, tell
So
me.
can I send my file? Can you review it?
Yes. Please,
It's heavy. It's 800 MB, I guess.
Okay, no problem. Send it.
Also, sir, I have couple of doubts regarding the model. Do you have my reference?
Mm, I didn't save it. Like I downloaded, but I guess I have deleted it again. If you could see it.
I'll share my reference as well. Wait.
Ah, hmm, hmm.
It's sending, so my internet is kind of slow. Little.
Mhm. Yes. Like Dhananjay, where is your file? Uh, oh, you sent me. Okay, mail. You mailed me. Mhm. Okay, you can show that. Something I guess we like I showed. Okay, I guess I showed it in doubt training session. Yes, plot wala thing. Venom. Yesterday. Yesterday. One sec. No, I haven't received anything yesterday. Everything is there in my mail. Same mail reply said. This is the last mail, and there is no reply. Nothing. I haven't received it. Okay. So, okay. So, Engine is asking for how to make clothes for this thing. So, making clothes kind of easy in ZBrush 2021. Let's keep it open. So, for them in the people one. email. Okay. Where you are sending it? I haven't received it. No, just let me check spam or something. Spam is empty. No. Like you're typing my like my mail ID correct, right? So reply back, or I can just simply just reply this. I just reply and revert back into that same mail. I just reply your old mail. Okay. So like plot, you have to suppose you want to create plot and all. So let's isolate. So suppose you want to create plot and all. So that's like kind of easy touch. I guess this is something what we discussed in last training session also. Like how to create plot and all. That is like kind of in ZBrush 2021. It's like way easier and convenient. Like whatever kind of plot you want to create, Sandu, or you can create a jacket, shirt, pant, everything will create very easily. You just have to create a selection. Okay. Okay. See, yeah, I can see it's visible here in your screenshot, but how come I'm receiving anything? Like not receiving anything. I replied, I have that mail right from you. There's no new mail. Just give me the drive link, I'll open it from there. That's much easier. Just create a selection, like of whatever kind of cloth you want. Maybe as a half sleeve, full sleeve, or torn, or maybe jacket or anything. Just create. the base selection, subtool, extract, extract, accepted, like body, this left, with this jacket. Now you have this thing. But this is like exactly the same topology and same shape of your base body. So I need to have this, I need to clean this thing up. So first thing is I have this nice thickness and everything should align with this properly. So what I'll do is go to geometry and take yes no subdivision, Z remesh, switch on your keep groups as remesh couple of times. Do simplify your entire model. Will simplify your entire model and make it like very easy and easy to handle. And you lose what you can see, like we now it's like nice and clean and it's aligned with the shape, proper loops. And like the mix is already on. So if you want to inflate it, you can just simply inflate the entire thing slightly, and it's like collapsing inside the body. Okay, you will try fast, download, focus down the way. Then go to deformation and you can see there is the option inflate. 1, 2, 3, 4 inflated, or you can use PMD, move brush, and make sure it's not intersecting with the base body. Okay. So you got this base body, base like some shirt or t-shirt base. Mainly the scale 5. Okay. Give me a second. There is something wrong with this. I'm not receiving any. Like after 8, I haven't received a single mail. Oh, there is not enough space. Okay. Yes, that's what. Just give me a second. I delete something from my drive. I guess drive is basically shared by everybody, I guess. That's the major issue with this. Into cache. Delete forever. Okay. I emptied the trash. It's like empty. It should give me like this amount of space, 2 GB at least. So yeah, around 7 GB, 8 GB are very good. So I have decent amount of space, but it's not reflecting here. Still showing empty, and now have a space around 7-8 GB. Okay, let's wait for some few more minutes while I will play in this slot thing. Okay. So you can create the space like this very easily, smooth out any unwanted edge or anything, any pinch, just smooth it out, and then you need to create like whenever you're moving or doing anything, you need to make sure GBrush reads it as a cloth. So for that, what I have to do is I just have to go to geometry, dynamic subdivision, switch on my dynamic subdivision, and then I can go and select any of this. You can see slot, fold, slot, hook, inflate, slot, move, nudge. All these options are there. I can select any one of them. Let's move. So right now I can move it, and you see it automatically generates folds. But only one thing, it's colliding with the body. So for that, what I have to do is the body is visible, rest everything is invisible. These two things are visible. So whatever you have selected, that's your cloth, and rest everything is your collision. So go to dynamic, and there's an option named collision volume. Click on this, it activates. The collision volume is active now. Now, if you modify, so inflate thing, I have to open new brush. I want dynamic to be here. Okay, and there's the inflate. Inflate 0 or maybe 0.01. Slightly inflate. Now it will read your body as a base, and based on that it will generate all folds. You can switch off your symmetry and make nice realistic looking fold. Very easily. Let's move it and pull push. It will automatically create all the folds based on your base body. You can smooth it, relax it, can do all those things. And after creating this, solo, control shift, click and delete your inner side of the body, inside part, and you can just simply delete the interior of the body. Delete that, and keep distance. The data inside section is not required. Okay. I can simulate it also. Simulation strength is way too strong. Gravity, reduce it. Just way too low. Okay. It's based on gravity. Try to reacting. So you can use gravity, and you can use anything like all fold brush. You have folds, hook. Hook basically works as your snake hook brush for like really strong pull, push, and all. If you're having difficulty with this, you can always reduce the intensity and use it. It will make your life way easier, give you very strong and nice folds. So creating clothes is very easy. This is like automatic thing. And if you want to create something, you just have to select remesh multiple times, get the loops correct, and then you can start sculpting on that. If you want some specific folds or something, you can definitely create those. So if you want to create a specific, you can always sculpt it directly on the surface. What if there is a cut in the cloth? Okay. If there is a cut in the cloth, either you create the cloth in that shape, or you can just simply suppose there is a hole in your cloth. So to create that, there's multiple ways to control. Let me delete the interior part first. I'll just apply subdivision, hide that, modify topology, delete hidden. So I can delete all my lower division, hide division, delete hidden, control W. So this is like one single solid polygon. Now I want to have like toned cloth, and this is like these holes and all. That is something like what I can do is either I can just simply mask that section, control W, control W, control W, control W. So I can create a separate polygroup, control select, hide that section, like hide, delete, hidden, and then all this floating part, control alt shift together, select, select, will delete all those unwanted part, again delete hidden. It's clean now. Shift F, control D, D. You can control D multiple times, and this like is unevenness. This is you can manually fix, or you can just simply go to deformation. There is an option called polish size feature. If you use this, it basically smoothes your edges. Shift D, reduce it. It becomes nice, clean. D, move up. You can make all these holes. And then suppose you want to make all those threads and all those things. That is something in low poly you have to do it with the alpha. Or if you want to create that thing with high poly, you have to create a fiber mesh or nano mesh for that. So suppose I want to create a fiber mesh or nano mesh for this, so I have to create all those threads one by, like I have to generate those threads. Like let's see. Okay. So what I can do is, let's go to masking, and here is my mask by feature. So it will mask all the borders. Then go to, here is my fiber mesh preview. See, it starts generating all those things. So suppose wherever I don't want it, I can simply deselect those areas. Deselect, preview, so rest everything is detected. And now let's see. I want them a little bit thicker, so it should look like fiber and like thread. So I'll go to modifier, max fiber, I'll reduce. Then length, I can keep it like this, that's fine. Coverage, I'll increase. It will give me thicker thread. Twist if I want. If I don't want, I can make it 0. Slim, root scale, tip scale. If I suppose I want root and tip same, 1, 1, same thickness. Profile, make sure it's 5 or 6 to get a solid thick shape. Segments increase to get thread-like thickness. And now I feel this density is way too high, so I can reduce the max fiber. Okay. And maybe slightly up. Something like this. If you zoom in, you can see they are like cylindrical shape. Coverage, I can increase. Twist, I can keep twist, or maybe I can reduce the twist also. 0. It's solid cylindrical shapes. So everything is converting to 0, making it a solid full nice full shape, and slightly variation. You see. Let's reduce the length. And if I reduce the length, this looks way too thick. Let's reduce the coverage. And then before accepting, make sure Shift R or click on BPR, render it and check it. So if you think you feel like okay, this looks like a fiber, the kind of fiber you're looking for, there's the illusion. So it's the kind of thick thread. I'll accept it, and then I can modify this according to my requirement. Now I have move brush, I have this short fiber. You can see groom brushes, strong groom tips, hairball, long brush, short hair, and everything. I can use this and start modifying my this each and every hair thread based on my requirement. Because to move something to do that. Is it uneven, random, and then do it. So like this, you can create holes, and this thread, if you generate with fiber mesh, you can bake it and you can use it as what do you call it, as an alpha, or you can just simply create a alpha. That will be way easier. Okay, I guess that's answer to this thing. So let's download, let's open Windows file. Okay. Okay. These structure wise, um, okay, you have created this thing in a pool. So, but fingers are separate, right? Like fingers are separate in actual reference, I believe. This is Venom, right? Venom fingers are separate. And what happened here? Let me check. This one. Let me open. So even if it's Venom, this like body, this neck and shoulder is structure. That structure I can see clearly is missing. It's become a design. Actually, you wanted to have a sticky look. Sticky like birds, duck, and they have this finger. This is thin membrane, right? There's something like something. So for that thing, what should you should do is like usually we create the finger, and top of that we create another layer, another substitute of thin plane or something, and create that membrane. Gives you more control, because right now if you modify something in this membrane, it will affect your finger as well. So like try to keep as much or like try to keep everything separate as much as possible. Like a finger, if you have a separate finger with like some nails, keep it separate. Your membrane, that thing, keep it separate. Your suppose you have some like you kept this tongue separate. Like this, each and every teeth separate. That's good. Like it should be like that only. The only thing, this vein part looks like a design rather than veins and all those things. So it's I don't know which reference. I don't remember exactly which reference you are using, because all the references I can see, like I can see the basic structure. But did you get the solution for the finger? Oh, that thing. I really sorry. I didn't check it. I totally forgot that. Okay, I'll check today only. I'll keep a note. Find one. They're into toys. They make amazing toys. And they pay very good money for their ZBrush models. These are all ZBrush models. They are printed in 3D. I know it's very expensive. They for one ZBrush model they pay around 2 lakh to 3 lakh rupees. So just for the like ZBrush model, and after that they print it, post process it, they color it, everything. So these are all hand painted. So these are pretty expensive. Okay. Okay. So just give me a second. So this is my basic structure. Overall, your structure is fine. This is like this. Just give me a second. Okay, you have created this thing based on the toy reference, right? So in toy reference, 3D toy, what happens? They create things in parts. So this part you can see that basically a separation. This one. This is basically a separation. The two different parts, they just place it together. They fit into like jigsaw puzzle. It fit together, and they with super glue they attach it. So basically, this line is not there in actual this thing. So that's part of your this thing, like toy design. Okay, let's see. Look the back side and leg. Okay. She body structure wise kind of fine. Not a problem. But this biceps looks fine. This biceps, I don't know, same. It's slightly different. Not same. Okay. So this thing, let's reduce. So initially, like if I am doing it, also wanted to know how to approve the spider logo. The thing follows the entire body. So that spider logo, there is a thickness. There is a thickness. So for that, I'll show that thing also. So, here the basic structure. So my basic structure, basic muscles, and then I'll add all those like strange looking wings. So you have like basically that design I've created. So only this neck shape and shoulder this shape, that depression, those things are missing.